Hi everyone, Captain Mark. Today I got the iPad Pro USB-C hub by GIISSMO. This is a 6-in-1 iPad adapter. It attaches magnetically. This iPad hub is compatible with the 11-inch and the 12.9-inch iPad Pro 2021, 2020, and the 2018. Alright, let's take a walk around the box, see what other info it has here. What this hub has, a USB-C port for pass-through charging, 4K HDMI for streaming, the ultra-fast USB 3 port. It also has an SD and TF port. And last but not least, it has a 3.5 headphone jack. Alright, let's open this up, see what comes inside. And first thing we see is the magnetic spacers that you use for your iPad Pro. These are designed for the 11-inch and the 12.9, but please note that you cannot use these spacers with a protective case. Next, we're pulling out the 6-in-1 USB-C hub. You can see it's made of metal, very strong, sturdy, has a flat gray finish to it, very strong design to that. You have the magnetic strip on there that keeps it locked down and in place to your iPad. And on the front side of the USB-C hub is your USB connector that goes into your tablet. Turning the USB hub to its side, you can see that it has the 4K HDMI port on it to allow high streaming and also to use it for projectors. And I want to show you how quickly it is to switch out these magnetic spacers for your iPad. It's very easy to do. There's an indentation on the USB hub you can see here, and you simply align it with the little notch on the spacers and it clicks right into place. Very easy to take in and out. Here we have the working side of our iPad Pro USB-C hub, and the first port is our USB 3. The USB 3 allows us to connect to fast peripheral devices. It also has a great file transfer speed up to 5,120 megabytes per second. Next, we have our SD card reader port. This will handle memory cards up to 512 gigabytes. Next, we have our TF card reader, or we'd call the micro SD card reader. And we have our 3.5 audio jack, which allows us to record with a microphone using a headset or an external speaker. And we have our USB-C port for pass-through charging. And last is our LED indicator light that lets us know when the power's on and everything is working. Alright, I want to show you how easy it is to use this 6-in-1 hub. But you can see here as I attach it, there's a little bit of a gap there and a little wiggle to it if you don't use it. But if you pull it off, and like I said, it's magnetic, and you put it back on there, and if it's nice and tight, it's not going to move at all. It's actually a really nice fit. Okay, we're going to be working with the 3.0 USB port on here, and I have a thumb drive, and I'm going to attach it to it, and we're going to click in the file folder, and there you see it's untitled right there. You can click on it, and there's the files right there. We'll open it up real quick so you can see it. Okay, we'll remove the thumb drive there, and I want to add a hard drive to this to show you that it can handle it, and we'll hook that up to the hub. And again, we're plugging into the USB 3.0. And I have the file folder already open, but we'll look for it when it pops up here. And there it is. Our hard drive is showing up, and I'll click on it. Go inside and look. Those are all my YouTube videos, and we'll play one here real quick, just to show you the speed with this USB 3.0, how it works. Magnetic wireless charging station. Alright, we're moving on to the next port, and that is the micro USB port. And we'll plug it in there and see how that works. It pops up immediately as untitled folder. We click on the different files, and there we are. This is one of the other videos that I was working on. Brings that up nicely. Now we're going to be using the large SD card port, and you can see it pops up again immediately. Of course, this is the same micro USB card that's in there, but you can see we'll go through here and the files are all there. Moves through the files very quickly. All right, next we're going to be using the 3.5 audio input, and I'm going to plug in the 3.5 jack in, which I have connected to an external speaker. I'm going to bring up some music here for you to listen to. And we won't play it very long, but I just want to show you how it works with the external speaker. Alright, on the last port is our HDMI on the top. And I'll show you how this works here. I have it hooked up to my tablet and my TV. You can see how quickly it scrolls through the menu on my tablet. And I have a video game here I want to show you how well it responds. So you can play games, you can watch streaming movies. This thing works great. Look at that. Little graphics on that. Pretty good. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to stream into movies. Here we go into Netflix. You can see how it scrolls through the menu really quick. Very responsive. And here's the video. Play it for a couple seconds. Now keep in mind that my speed's not very fast on my Wi-Fi here out in the country. But it does work really good. Yeah, folks. This 6-in-1 hub does everything you need, attaches right to the side of your iPad Pro. You can't beat this. You can get this on Amazon for $30.59, and I'll leave that quick link down below for easy access. Folks, this is a great 6-in-1 hub. Can't beat it. Good price, quality built, and it does the job. Folks, stay tuned for more videos, because I got a lot more coming at you, and I'll see you in the next one. And folks, the people at Gizmo are wanting to have a giveaway, and this is for Mother's Day, and they're hoping that they can see in the comments 3 chances to win for the best comments that people want to do for Mother's Day. You have a chance to win this free product, which is the iPad Pro USB-C hub. Leave your comments down below, and good luck to you on the contest.